Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I thought we were done with this, but our best friend is back. Luckily, it's not an F35 problem and it is an F20. I don't remember what these codes mean, so let's do some research and see what we got. Okay, so according to Google AI, it's a flow problem. We're gonna check all the hoses, the little small mesh inlet valve like this guy is doing here. Really like this video by Scott. Let's go back in the garage and take things apart. This might be a short and easy video. The pressure sensor is right here. I've changed that in the past in previous videos. When I took the lid off, this hose was disconnected. So hopefully it's an easy squeeze that back onto the pressure sensor. I initially thought it might've been these. So I turned the water on a little bit. They flow freely. I thought it might've been these, but those look pretty clean. So we're gonna plug everything back in, run a load and see if it works. The F20 air would come up at 45. We are well past that, so it looks like it is this little hose here that got shook off in one of the cycles. I am so happy this is an easy, simple video because normally when I start filming, things do get complicated pretty quickly, and the journey with this was a long and educational one. I remember taking the back panel off, working over there, taking the bottom off, working down there. I thought I might have had to check this flow meter to see if there's any restrictions in there or any of the hoses in there were bent, or maybe detergent buildup somewhere that was causing a flow problem. Every time I work on this, it starts to behave normally. I get so excited to do laundry again. Video 359 done.